This video will help demonstrate how to do the homework for the Speech Sound Awareness Pack MPB.
Okay, so I've got a little story.
Yeah.
And it's about Mr. Big Mouth. And this is Mr. Big Mouth. And can you see what he's got here?
What?
It's a balloon.
A balloon.
But look what else he's got in this hand. He's got a little pin. And you know what he does?
What?
He pops his balloon with the pin. And when he pops it, it makes a special sound. And to make that special sound, look, we squash our lips together. And we go, p, p. Wow, can you do that again? P, p. And can you do 3? P, 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 p. Amazing. Then I've got another picture. Mr. Big Mouth again. But what's he got this time?
Don't know.
He's got another balloon. But this time when he pops it, it's a noisy balloon. Yeah, so we have to squash our lips together this time, but make it noisy. So we go, B.
B.
Wow, do it again. B.
B.
And can you do 3?
B. 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 B.
Amazing. Now have a look at Mr. Big Mouth this time. What has he got hold of?
Cake.
A cake. And when he sees a cake, he rubs his tummy and he makes this noise. He goes, mmm. So he squashes his lips together. Mmm. Can you do that one?
Mm.
Oh, can you do it again? Can you do it 3 times? Good girl, well done. So this time we've got a little story to have a look at. Okay, and this one is called Ben's Birthday.
Ben's birthday.
So we have, today is Ben's birthday and he's going to have a party. And Ben gets lots of presents. So let's see what he gets. If I point to the picture, can you tell me what his present is?
Yeah.
So Penny gives Ben some
Drawings.
some pencils. Peter gives Ben some paint. Let's have a look at this one. Mike gives Ben a
Toy mouse.
a toy mouse. Billy gives Ben a ball. That's right. Molly gives Ben some
Money.
it's some marbles. And the next one, Betty gives Ben some bubbles. Let's see what happens. Ben blows the bubbles and they get bigger and bigger and bigger until pop. Well done.
Try to practice a few times a week. The more practice they have, the easier it will be for them. Remember to make it fun.